Bye. Ciao. Good morning. It's on Tuesday. It's on Tuesday. Hello. Hiyo tu hapo ya Mwembe. Ndio nakuja nipo kwa njia. Yeah. So it's 7:38 and it's February 27th on Tuesday. Literally, I have been woken up by Alicia because she's coming, and if you know, I have talked about Alicia in like nearly all my vlogs. So today y'all are going to meet her, and I'm supposed to meet her right now. I'm supposed to actually be getting ready, but I'm lying. I have lied. So with that said and done, let's just speed this shit up and go and meet her. So I'm just wearing this black shirt and sweatpants and socks. So let's go. Yes, justify yourself. Justify yourself. Justify yourself. What happy? Tell the people. Hey, goddamn. Like, I love your pants though. Nitaka hii. Inakaa fiti lakini saa mbona yari? Vlog. Tunaenda wapi? Nilimba. ladies and gentlemen. Na kikombe tu hapa. Unataka kikombe yangu kwa celeb. Welcome to the vlog. Yes, so today we're doing this redhead. This bitch. This redheaded baddie. Ah, God. Usionyesha tu hiki yako, please. We are all still virgins. We are still virgins. No, her. I mean, anyone who has a hiki is not a virgin. Period. I said what I said. Mnafika je mnaanza kupeana hiki? Yeah, so today we're joined with what is your name?
So now I don't know my name and you're my best friend for like the fucking 8 years. 8 years. 8.
Nimekuza tu swali simple.
Let's imagine now.
This is Wafula.
Guy.
So what's one you going to introduce? Alicia Wafula.
No.
But this is Alicia. This is my neighbor. We met back in the day. She came to borrow salt from my house. It was
then I talked to your ghost.
No, but this is my bestie. This is my best friend. For 8 years, bro. Imagine putting up with each other's nonsense for 8 years. You heard it here first, folks. Sika soko. Sika soko. Nimetolewa soko.
Soko wewe. Ushaikuwa soko?
Kai. Acha kunianika. Sai niko soko, by the way. Just serious, sai niko soko.
Ulirudi soko lini? Please tell me.
A few months ago, nilirudi soko.
What happened?
You know.
It's not you.
It was not me.
You have it, so let's know Rita within 5 minutes. Who's Rita? Who's Rita Penny? Rita Penny Mwalo.
Rita Penny Mwalo. She's a she?
Yeah, we know you are she. And
labda nimechange pronouns. I am a she, she, her. She, her, they, them, it. She, her, they, them, it. Itself. I don't know. She, her. Very not cute, bro. I'm hard. Cute is for kids. Cute is for kids. Cute is for kids. I'm white. Yeah. I'm an upcoming artist, a basketball player. I'm a student. I'm a lot of things. Yes. Yeah. I'm a lot of things. Yes, I'm a lot of things. See, I'm loyal. When have
to whom?
Bro, ushiskin me cheat wapi? Let's start from there. Liquid cheat na nani?
But you cheated, just felt like you cheated.
Wait? Okay. Okay, that is news to me. But sour. I don't cheat. If you want to slide in my DMs, feel free.
Ujevila cheat by that. She knows it.
I didn't cheat. I've never cheated in my life.
You have.
I have.
Ile day.
Cheat na nani? Oh my sis na ile. Almost my time, place, when, where, the year, the time.
Okay, it was last year. Au kwa hostel. Ulikuwa umeenda kutembeleana.
Nenda kutembelea nani? J.
Ume tunapiganianga tesho.
J. Siku cheat. No, actually Nalisha, siku cheat. Okay, I'd like to apologize for absolutely nothing. Absolutely. I didn't
She's
cheat.
apologizing for cheating.
I did not cheat. Okay, fine. I apologize
for bringing this girl here. How old is Alicia? I'm not telling. I'm not telling. She's a kid. She's literally a child, under 15. Bro, but don't qualify for class 8. Shut. You're giving 16. 16. Old enough. Yeah, you see, yeah, moist enough. And clingy as fuck. And naggy as fuck. No, that's my best friend. God help me.
Tena kutafutia followers IG, tumia details zote, si IG, YouTube. We're leaving. Kauko. We're going to Wangina first.
The forest.
See forest. It's not fast.
Forest.
We're first going to Wangina and then we'll go to Atukopse later on. At around Kisu 5, I guess. 5. Isn't that 5? Yeah, 5.
Yeah.
So, fit check. Yeah. And then she's wearing that. And
what's that?
That.
This.
She's wearing that.
This.
And this nanny's skirt.
Nanny's skirt.
So, yeah, we're leaving. Let's go.
classical dancer.
The Americans over 400 million for just the painting and art. Lloyd Goover is smoking, is black. Yeah, mikeka iko, tafadhali kama unataka na mkeka hapa unaweza kaa.
This is just a little play. Gratitude.